Jesus was a fool at that point.
As a gospel musician, ultimate snazzy, and will be for Jesus Christ to stop it. One person will apologize to the Christian community. You did not apologize to anybody. And my someone I watch it. Say a John Maham and a Bulldog can once a man, the management and the producers will apologize.
And then, Mr. Maybe I'm ashamed to even be called a Christian. Christian Counsel, Mentio Manokasa, Muslims, Ukoka, Mohammed Asem, Wukran, and Christopher Jimiano, Jimiama, give to us a gospel musician. Look at even her intervention on the show. As if said, carefree, Mamin control. Christianity was fought to violence. You can't comfort because of Christianity.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hi, Xposed GH. The name is B0re. Baby, I will be having check a CNMO. I just subscribe to the two panels. Enya Akambi. United Showbiz is becoming a controversial show. I think it has to be scrapped off. Yes, and I have my reasons. It doesn't make sense. Is controversial. And now, my very, very disappointed in somebody like Father. Gifty. Or say, and I'll show you why. Bulldog, one of the most stupid guys in Ghana, the most useless person in Ghana. I'm eliminating Mabekasa because or not me friend me fool. So I have every right to call him useless. He doesn't have sense. I continue showbiz. Now all can some no. And some you all can no. Say Jesus was a fool.
Jesus was a fool at that point. Someone named Jesus. You can't say that. You can't say that. Jesus is a fool. Was a fool at that point. No, please. You don't listen. In psychology, and so football. To me, yeah, it's a food that me Jimmy. Jesus. For me. I will retract. Jesus can take me to court. See, maybe a manager will retract. No, you can't say that. No. You said, say you are. Yes, sorry, so you believe in that.
Yes.
So why are you saying Jesus was
Jesus on Yami?
Please, Jesus. I beg you, oh, to me, Missing men can't say
He can't say Jesus is a fool. I said Jesus was a fool.
Why?
Because he lost his temper.
It's actually not an insult.
I said I only Jesus, so stand me meaning Jesus. Jesus. Jesus in the Yoko microphone and says Obubia. Odu Hono, Yomu Nagason, Casano, to Mubuno explanation. So did you know what happened? It's here or do you know what happened? So why you then?
And we are so there be a mekabibi. And then Mr. Maybe I'm ashamed to even be called a Christian. Christian Counsel, Mentio Manokasa. Share Muslims. They be absent uncle for an internet on B0re. Ukoka Mohammed Asem. Where we crank Kenya. A Christopher Jimiano, Jimiama. Obiet me mekan ye nyame ho asem and we are cool with it. Give to us a gospel musician. Bisane say, gifty. And Kenya nyame ho na udidi akawa animo. Give to us and ye yesu di na wo boy all the tone na kahwa animo. Look at even her intervention on the show. As if say carefree. Mamin control. Christianity was fought to violence. You can't comfort because of Christianity. People were killed because of Christianity. A case of war, you Niagara. Ebia, who gift in idea go ba B0re Bruce me agro. And then hwe ne ebe e wo dia straight. I don't mean words. It gets to a time you need to stand up for what you believe. And then the man who said, gift yourself when you Christo ni and you not to the kwa. Kwa for canning na me feel say e hear say benena mehu because sebe those times Peter nam near the omu gina say choose between Jesus and the Roman Emperor. Say I choose Jesus near Trinity because they believe in the name Jesus. And now what's in a show fool way so Emma Obi catch here say Jesus is a fool and you are you can't even work the person out. Me na me hoster. I'll tell Bulldog to say Boo Kwasia Bulldog to say you either walk out or I'll stand up and walk out. Because say I can take anything, but what I believe that holds my life. Okay, what can me? Give to yourself no, Polly, you know her. Meanwhile, you profess to be a gospel musician. Now, no wonder. No, what I can be a Bulldog or someone needs to Jimmy and you see that. Because on Kenya, some da, I'm telling you. On Kenya, some da, Jimmy and they are allowing him. Oh no, those times na Akufo-Addo, okoyi Akufo-Addo show. Omua de, where Jimmy Swaka ho, eye tu niema ye de ma wa ne ha wo wiase. Omua de so asen Jimmy. Mienu no kra. It's such a person. Why do you even invite him on a show like this? Such a useless person. Why do you invite him to come and say the things that he says? Now, Christian Counsel, some man can be and treble go. No man, mama ya fa it is so kwa na. Young Christian you to ya it is so kwa back no. I'm telling you. Because I'm kwasiasem na obi asori a na or the Christianity me twitwi fam no it will happen again. I'm telling you. So if he had the audacity to go on air and say Jesus is a fool, he's a bigger fool. And we will deal with him. I'm telling you. I'm not talking about violence, but we'll deal with him. Say court plan and then we'll take him to court. Because into me, ma, some way and to us. Now give to the what you was here. For the first time, a few Schwarz they got casem. Now I'm not you go to him.
Now gifty. O start show me fair when I'm catching a gifty. Akunyana what's not so one year. By the time I be you a few Akunyana so now o calling what here. I can't phone for one year. As a gospel musician, ultimate snazzy, and will be for Jesus Christ stop it. One person will apologize to the Christian community. You did not apologize to anybody. And my someone I watch it. Say John Maham and a Bulldog can once a man, the management and the producers will apologize. But because Christians are the only group of people that anybody can walk on. And you know, it is all good. It is all right. Next week, gospel musician have a translate pancake. Counsel for movie pass. Yes, Christo na obi to us send and kwasi. And onyame for namobone and chamo. Onyame on for Christo ni bia so waka na no atum e wa asemi ho e bone nchem. Ghanaian Christian Counsel, you should be ashamed of yourself. Pentecostal Counsel, you should all be ashamed of yourself. The so-called pastors in Ghana, poor. You should be ashamed. Poor. I spit on that stupid calling you call. If you sit down for somebody to say that about Jesus Christ.
Afiakasa. No can nyansa give to yourself. Nyansa she Bible ne say. Mo mamo kan nyanshran. Enko wiase. Ye kasa obi ye Kristonia. Enye wa ho fama ana o dressing. Eye wo kasa. Na wo jina ho no bit me running the very man that you saying that you are not a host. Give to yourself unya host. You are not to be a musician. Gospel musician. Se nipa na wo to ne ho nwom no. Se wo timi and protecting that name. Now for say good God or come us and for some man can akwatiti we are come continue that. I'm telling you. Because young community, what would they a crystal some just on the fulfill. Now a yes one me can be ya. Kofose mamenka. Ya who in kofua said the omudi nyame ho for. near two woman. Bulldog. Hey, obet me and kwasiade, I don't care. You can even insult anybody, I don't mind. But when you insult my God, he will not forgive you. Let's watch what will happen to Bulldog. It's not a threat. I'm telling him, say, baby or wakani ayenka. I expose GHFM B0re, subscribe, share. Maybe 2 months I can be manual.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.